in the Atlas Mountains of North Africa. This was home to a special variety of horse. They were used to life in both the hot, barren desert and on ice-covered mountain slopes. In this harsh environment, only horses with a sensible nature, extraordinary stamina, and sure-footedness could thrive. It was with these horses that the Berbers, also known as Moors, set out to build an empire, invade Spain, and conquer the entire Iberian Peninsula. While the Europeans were wearing suits of armor and riding slow, heavy horses, the Berbers were able to outmaneuver them. With light weapons, they ravaged the country in small, mobile task forces. The Berbers and their horses epitomized perfect harmony. As they galloped over the land, seeming hardly to touch the ground, horses and riders appeared to become a single creature. The Berbers owed their military superiority to their horses. They were tough, agile, and brave, just what warriors needed for brisk engagements in hand-to-hand and horse-to-horse combat. The Moors conquered Spain in the year 711, and they took their horses with them, horses that were said to have the hearts of lions. The next 700 years became the golden age of Al-Andalus.